Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the 𝐔𝐻�10 2-in-1 rechargeable sealing machine. So this features a USB plug-in, so the battery, you don't have to change out the batteries, you can just plug it in and charge it up. Anyways, let's check out what we got inside here. Got a little bag there, and USB charger, USB-A to USB-C. There's a charging port. And we have instructions here as well. Okay, so what's cool about this, has a nice little magnet here too, so you can just stick it up on your refrigerator, on your range, wherever's convenient. So we got this little bag here, and I know you're only supposed to use kind of specific bags for it, not like a pure aluminum or cling film or cellophane bags. Most like chip bags, cookie bags, vacuum bags, things like that. Anyway, so if you look close here, this first button is a little razor blade that drops down there, and you just press that and you can cut open different things with that, just slide it along. And the second one is this part right here where you just press this down. And anyways, let's check it out here. So we turn on the power, boom, and a little light comes on. You get your bag here, so we can see that it is definitely open. Okay. So I'm not sure if this one is going to work that great because it's not sure what kind of plastic it is. So we just press it and get this little blue light. When you press this down, that light goes off, and then you just kind of pull this along. Okay. All right, so it is right there. It like kind of cut it along there too, like that. But we can see right here that that is like sealed up. So if you want to seal it all the way, then you just go across the edges there. But look at that. I can't even pull it open. Pull pretty hard. All right, so that's just that little bag. Now we're going to try. I actually have a couple chip bags here. So this one, using chip clips. I mean, you can roll them down and then try to put a clip on it. They work okay. Put it on and just kind of slide it along. Okay, and there we can see it takes a little bit of technique. So if you go too fast, it won't do it, and it depends, I think, on the plastic too. Okay, so we have this chip bag here too. Okay, once again, this was going to be a little tricky. I had to cut, a lot of this was torn like all the way down here, so not sure how well this is going to work for us. This bag is pretty messed up, so we'll have to see. Just slide this on over the two, and then it's on. So we're going to press our button down, the light goes out, and just kind of move that along. Oh yeah, we got a big thing right here, but let's see if I can't move back the other way and kind of try to seal it up from this side. Hopefully you can see that this side, it did a nice little job of sealing that. And then if you want to get like an airtight seal, you can simply, it says to go across like the edge there, so you can go here and just kind of come across, just seal it up there, and then all the way down the side, and that creates a seal all across the corner there. So that's all sealed up. Now we can try to do this side. Like I said, this bag's pretty jacked up, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, come back this way. Put our little light on there. When the light goes out, then you can start moving it, and nice and slow and gentle. There we go. And there we can see that one seals up nicely. So that's really cool. It takes a little bit of getting used to the amount of pressure. You don't want to press super hard, just enough kind of when that light goes off, and then it kind of lets you know that, hey, it's good to go. So very handy little tool here. I'm pretty happy with how it works, actually. You don't have to get any more of these chip clips and put those on there. And if you really want an airtight seal, looks like you can just snip off the edges there, and it's going to do a really good job. All right, friends, so final thoughts on this little bag sealer. I like that it has a magnet on there, easy to put wherever you want. It's small and compact. charges nicely. A little bit of a learning curve, so different thicknesses of the bags and things like that. You have to go a little bit faster if it's like a thinner plastic, or a little slower if it's like the foil bags or whatever. So all in all, pretty cool. If you don't have those chip clips, or you don't want to use them, you can get a nice seal with this, and then use a little razor to cut them open again. So yeah, very cool. We'll be using this little device to seal up different like little snack bags and things like that. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys all next time.